Hey viewers, time for another little video today. You've seen these skidders laying around here for quite some time, and the owner was here the other day, and we're working on center section and new pins and bushings in it and whatnot, and he decided to go ahead with the transmission part. It will not stay in. Yeah, it's having trouble shifting, and my guy was in it the other day. I don't remember what I filmed, but here's what we found down in the bottom. Got a few piece parts. This is for the synchros. That I don't know where it come from yet, but we're gonna find out. So what I figured I'd do is show you a little bit of what we got going on here, and I'll try to do this in a good way. These are the Syncro clutch packs that slows down the transmission for when you want to shift. Okay, and you can see there's a chunk, there's a few pieces missing in there. And Troy, he's got the bearing pushed back. And we got to get this shaft out. This whole top shaft has to come out of there in order for us to fix this particular part. He's got one of the shifting clutches out over here already. That all attaches up to the shifting levers. So what we have to do at this point is, you can see the dash. The other day I was talking about, these machines are 40, at least 45, 46, 47 years old, so, but we're still working on them. At any rate, we have to take this part of the transmission and separate it probably about this much. So we're going to have to suspend it from the canopy, whatever we have to do so we can work on it. Just pull it back, get at the front side of this particular bearing so we can remove this top shaft and make the repairs there. And then hopefully we find where that other chunk is from. It could have been from 25 years ago. We'll never know. So that's kind of what we're at with this. This is a 440B, I think. Anyways, that's kind of what we're up to on this one. So hope you enjoy the video. I will say that things are moving along here. It's the weekend, and yeah, things are moving along, and nice. Yeah, that's about all I've got today. I'm gonna do yeah, that's all I've got. So, alright, enjoy.